Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I have a project share for you. I was on live with Luisa this Wednesday and I just want to show you what I did with it. This is my Candyland junk journal. I'll share that in another video, but this is what I wanted to show you. This beautiful envelope right here. So this was a bill envelope, one of those return postage envelopes. It comes with your bills and stuff. So Luisa graciously helped me or showed me how to alter an envelope in your stash. And this envelope, I did use ink, some of the Tim Holtz Distress ink. I used Distress Oxide. So I used worn lipstick to go around the outside edges and also stamp some images. And then I also used sponge sugar. And then the next one I have is some archival ink. And I'm using what's in my stash, guys. Use your stash. So that's what I'm doing. I added some of the Dollar Tree trim up here. So at the very beginning of the project, as we were starting, I already made a boo-boo, and I wasn't supposed to cut off the flap for the envelope, you know, the closure that, you know, closes up the envelope, but I did. So I used some of the trim from Dollar Tree and put it up on the top just to give it some texture, using up some trim. I folded the envelope because I knew it wasn't going to fit completely in my junk journal. So I just picked a good spot on the envelope, mainly where the address lines were, scored it down there, and then folded that in on the crease. And then I just want to put it into my junk journal right in the center of this insert for this junk journal. Okay, so this is the insert, the first insert. Whoops. This is one insert. And I put it right in the middle because the insert itself that I made was stitched. I stitched it using my sewing machine. So what we did here with the envelope, she showed me how to distress the edges, how to not stamp on your acetate. So she showed us, you know, you just get a scrap piece of paper, you get your corner punch one corner that's close to the same curve if you can. Punch that corner and then I use the dauber, this little thing, to go around the edges so you can distress the edges of the window without getting it on your window. We also inserted a designer paper on the inside, so when you look into your envelope opening, you could see the decorative paper. I used some of my stamps from my stash, and these were mainly Dollar Tree stamps. And then this funky stitching is hand-drawn. I just took my Sharpie because I don't have the stamp. Luisa has this gorgeous stamp set, and she says she got it off of Ally, but you can also find it on Amazon, Ally, and probably the other one, Temu. But I just took my Sharpie and drew my stitching all the way around, even around the window. Okay, I hope you guys can see that. And then all the gold that you see here on the envelope is the Dollar Tree rub-on. It's a rub-on transfer, and it's in the paper craft section. And yeah, it's by Crafter Square, so that's a Dollar Tree item. And just cut off a piece of what you want and then rub it onto the envelope. So I added some rub-on on this side. I added some rub-on over here on this corner. And then I used some star trim that's been in my stash, and I don't know, I don't remember where I got it. It was from a kit from a long time ago, and this is like a rainbow star trim. I don't remember. It's probably Rhoda, because I buy a lot of her stuff. But anyway, I just took pieces of it and glued it down. I used some ribbon again from my stash. I don't know where. I think it's from Rhoda again. I believe so. One of her paper kits that matched a paper collection. This is some stamping here. I stamped on the barcode. This barcode was already on the envelope. And so that's what I did, I stamped on that. And then I used some stencil from my stash. And this is what it looks like. I used this part right here and then the part of the leaf. And I used my distress inks. Sorry, I was putting the stamp away. Use some of the distress oxides again for my stencil. So that's it, you guys. I did all of that beautiful work with Luisa, you know, showing me what to do first, second, third, all that good stuff. I love crafting with someone, showing me their techniques and learning from them. So that's beautiful. I love this rub-on right here, because you could cut sections apart and use it little by little. Or you could use the whole thing and just rub the whole thing onto a paper. But that's it. It's going into my Candyland. I did print these from Google Images. They're free images. And I downloaded them. And then I loaded into Cricut. And I used an offset to give me smooth lines around the image. And then I didn't mention, I printed them on glitter cardstock, printable glitter cardstock. So that's what that looks like. All right, so yep, and then I just put it in the middle of this insert, and it goes right into my junk journal. And look at how thick that junk journal just got. It's so pretty. I love it. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, this project share. Let us know if you go and make some envelopes. We'd love to see your creations. And don't forget, you could use this hashtag right here down below. Use your stash 2023 MCBC. And we can easily find your projects and check it out. We'd love to see it. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.